So this is the new Dyson 360i robot vacuum cleaner. The problem with existing robot vacuum cleaners is that they have very poor suction, so they don't make very good vacuum cleaners. We've developed a high-speed digital motor which, combined with the powerful cyclones, gives us very powerful suction. In fact, it's the first robot vacuum capable of high-performance cleaning. But crucially, it has this 360-degree vision system so that it can see all the way around. This means that it can see where it's been and it can see where it's going so that it navigates properly. It has a motorized brush bar which spans the full width, with stiff bristles to remove ground-in dirt from carpets and soft carbon fiber filaments to remove fine dust from hard floors. It's the only robot with continuous tank tracks. This means that it maintains speed and direction across all floor surfaces. We're bringing together all this technology that makes an intelligent robot that cleans your home properly.